So we offer.
Here is so beautiful. Look at that. Welcome to Stolentime here in Saint Lucia. I am so excited. I'm so happy to be here. So we are here during the Easter weekend and we decided to do an all-inclusive because we were not sure if we would have like restaurants open during the holiday. So this is an all-inclusive resort. It is an adult only resort as well. It is so beautiful. The moment you walk in, you just like feel the calm, the nature. I love the way it's so green and so lush and so peaceful here already. This is so beautiful.
Right this way, situated behind the lush garden,
Yeah.
you can find our lazy river.
Yeah.
When you relax here, you do get service directly from our bar team, so no need to get up and look for drinks.
Nice.
Here we have our spa in the water garden, open from 9 until 6. Thinking we can do it. Welcome to our main area, the terrace. This is our activities corner, and this board that is currently being updated. We update every day with what's going on around the resort, as well as the time for the later. You can bring up a few.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
also have a pillow menu here. So we offer goose down, goose feather, and memory foam latex. So you can take a look if there's maybe any preference of pillows you'd like. You can give us a call. But as for the blankets, I'll have housekeeping take care of it.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Of course, my pleasure.
Thank you.
You might want to take the key.
Oh, yeah.
Here you are.
Thank you.
All right, nice to meet you both.
Nice to meet you. Hi, we're gonna do a room tour. I apologize because I'm doing these like a couple of days after we've been here. I think this is our 5th day, so the room is gonna look lived in, but just because we've been busy, we've been up and down, and the first day we got here, we were really tired. So today is our day to relax. So I figured I'll do some room tours. My apologies, it's gonna look a little bit messy because we already been here. So we got the cheapest room they had, which is facing the garden. So that's the garden. This is our view from the inside. There's a little desk over there that I've been sitting and just having coffee. There's a little bit drawing rug here that we're using. So it is a king size bed. And one thing, they really do a good job with housekeeping here. The room always looks clean when we come in. They provide you with these sleepers. So the bed is pretty big. It's me and my sister, and we're sharing the room. And literally it's huge. Like, that's half of my bed side, that's her side. So it's pretty big bed. And it's a basic room that has everything you need. Also, you have a choice of pillows. They give you an option to choose your own pillows. So these are what I chose. Comfy. The bed is really comfortable as well. Really comfortable. And then they have a little desk, a little chair, I'm sorry, that we're using, and table area. Yeah, mirror. They give you the map of the resort. You get a bottle of water, which is so cool. So, and you can take this one home as well. So you fill this up and you go by your day. So those are our bags. So that's the view of the whole room. This is the bathroom area. They have a little bit of closet here that has mirrors. Hey, hello. And then they have a coffee station here. You get your teas, hydration corner. I don't know what's up here. I probably don't need to find out what's up there. They have a mini fridge that has, you can put some water, and they always give you those 2 bottles of water every single day. And then this is the bathroom. This is a basic bathroom. And like I said, they really do keep up with housekeeping. We haven't had any complaints. We haven't had to call housekeeping for anything. So they do clean up. And it's 2 girls staying in this room, so it does get a little bit messy. But they've been keeping up with us. So that's it. That's the room tour. And the grounds is so beautiful, so calm, so green, so lush, and trees everywhere is very green. And walking around, you can just hear the sounds of the birds. You can hear the waves from the ocean. So it's really such a calm and quiet resort. With that said, if you're looking for a party place, if you want to go a place that is busy and loud, this is probably not a place for you. This is a calm, more relaxed, chill, probably perfect for honeymoon. So yeah. And the highlight is this lazy river. So it does wrap around. It starts from here and then it goes all the way around, and you can just chill here, you can relax here, you can get your drinks here the whole day. And then there's also a couple of pools. This one is one by the beach, and then there's another main one as well. And the whole time we were here, it wasn't as busy. You like sports, there are tennis courts, they do have a gym as well. This is the second large pool, and this one is close by the spa, so you can go to the spa and enjoy the pool. Let's head to the beach. The resort does have access to the beach, and the good thing about the beaches in Saint Lucia is they are all public, so the hotel guests can use, and you'll also like get to interact with the locals. So the resort of course does provide the towels and the chairs and the umbrellas. And is the view of the hotel from the beach. sunset here is so beautiful. Look at that. And then of the resort. That. That's me. Okay, let's talk about the food. Let's talk about the food. The food here was so fresh, so yummy, so flavorful. Most of the time, breakfast was a breakfast buffet. Mostly got like fresh omelets from an omelet station, fresh juices, coffee, and then for dinner, you can always order from a menu, and it was a different theme every night. But the food was really good. The food was good. I have no complaints.
You know what? We're here to make friends. When they realize how like burger had like the high. Very good. Beautiful lemon tea. That's okay. Thank you. You're welcome. You have any coffee or tea this morning?
Yeah, I'll get coffee. I'll get a latte.
Can I get a black tea with milk?